Cute. Wow. Please like my video. We need white and pink paper, glue, ruler, market colors, pencil. So let's start. Please leave a comment if you like my video. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.